Good day, class. Welcome in your English online class. Let's get connected to our exercise. Today we are going to do exercise number 1.7, and here fill in the blanks using the nouns forms of the words given against each sentence. So words are given here and we have to make abstract noun. So let us go. At first place we are having sentence, your dash has no boundaries. Kind, your kindness has no boundaries. So you will mention the word here, kindness. Next is, I have found this dash on the internet. Inform, information. I have found this information. Next is, thank you for your kind invitation. Thank you for your kind invitation. Next is, she watched the dash of the new mobile on TV. She watched the presentation. We saw awful dash because of the flood. Destroy, we saw awful destruction. Vinash. Because of the flood जो बाढ़ आती है बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है ना. And awful means भयानक. They had no other dash but to stay. Choose, choice. उनके पास और कोई चॉइस नहीं थी रुकने के अलावा. चॉइस. Next is, she saw her friend on a dash to Paris. Flight. At number 8 we are having, I think crying is a sign of weakness. रोना कमज़ोरी की निशानी है. Weakness. Next is, we spoke about the dash in some countries. Poverty. Garibi. The students discussed the problem of discriminate. Discriminate से बनेगा discrimination, मतलब भेदभाव. Discrimination. Nation. Maybe on man-woman issue, maybe on color issue, any issue can be there. Discrimination or the caste and creed, anything can be there. Discrimination, भेदभाव. We read about the dash of the new device. We read about the invention. Invention of the new device. Number 12, dash, what is the latest dash in physics? Achievement, उपलब्धि. What is the latest achievement in physics? Physics में latest achievement क्या है, उपलब्धि क्या है? At number 13 we are having, Tom thinks about his dash at the university. Education. Some people pronunciate it as education. Both are okay. Next is, we expect his dash on Tuesday morning. Arrival. Next is, what can you say about yesterday's performance? Class, at number 16 we are having, can you describe his dash appearance? आप बता सकते हैं वो कैसा दिखता था? Appearance. What is your dash? Decide, decision. What is your decision? At number 18, Their dash will be solemnized on Saturday. Mary marries. कब होगी उनकी मैरिज? On Saturday. From the marry we will create the word marriage. At number 19, the dash of this bridge will be finished soon. Construction. निर्माण कार्य. Construction. The construction of this bridge will be finished soon. जल्दी ही खत्म हो जाएगा. Your dash is awful, my dear. Behavior. Your behavior. Behavior means आपका व्यवहार. Is awful. Awful मतलब बहुत भयानक, बहुत awkward था. It was not acceptable. At 21st, we plan our dash on Friday morning. Departure. Departure. The dash of this problem was very interesting. The discussion. I need your dash on this document. Sign, signature. At number 24, do you know these dash? Now the word is given here require, but we are having these, so we will go with requirements. Do you know these requirements? Do you know these requirements? क्या आप यह requirements जानते हैं? जो needful things हैं वो जानते हैं, आवश्यकताएं. He spoke about the dash of the company. Management. प्रबंधन. Management. I take no dash to visit us on Sunday. I take no refusal. Refusal to visit us on Sunday. Now let's move on the next page. Let's come on the next page. So at 27, you are an excellent dash swimmer. So we see that mostly the sentences are related to the abstract noun, but even though we are having differentiation in between. Do you know the results of your dash exam entrance? Students, one thing I want to tell you, that some students they do ENTE. Here E will not come when you are writing the word entrance. ENTRANCE, entrance. Next is the dash of new mobiles is planned on Monday. The delivery. न्यू मोबाइल्स की डिलीवरी कब होगी, कब आएंगे वो? प्लान्ड ऑन मंडे को. नेक्स्ट इज योर ग्रामर डैश इज वेरी पुअर. नो नॉलेज. What is the dash of this theorem? What is the proof? What is the proof of this theorem? My dash was not correct. Explain. Explanation. My explanation, जो भी मैंने व्याख्यान दिया, that was not correct. That was incorrect. At number 33, we discussed the dash of the party at school. Arrangement. 34, you dash to these films isn't convincing. Your comparison. Your comparison of these films isn't convincing. I need your dash in this discussion. Assistance. Assistance, the person who will help you. Assist करता है जो आपको किसी वर्क में. They took part in the dash yesterday. Demonstrate, demonstration. I am writing it here. Demonstration. Demonstration means to show, to point out something or someone. Next is, she told us about the dash of the roads here. Improve, improvement. So we are adding up improvement. So class, this was your very long exercise number 1.7. I hope the exercise is quite clear to you. So I am going to sum up here. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on learning, keep on watching, and don't forget to do the exercise by your own. Thank you class. Good.